Now for this hour's car review, had a chance to drive the 2023 Cadillac Escalade. Some people call it an Escalade V series.
That's all you got to say.
What a hot rod.
The review is over.
Pretty much,
I
yeah,
love
for
it.
Jeff anyway. It comes in many trim levels. It starts off with the luxury, the premium luxury, sport, premium luxury platinum, sport platinum, and the V at the top of the heap. All new for 23 is the V. This is a standard SUV, body on frame, full size SUV, 7 occupants up to, including the driver. Exterior changes from last model year, not many. This 5th generation Escalade was introduced in, this particular one was introduced in 2021. Okay? Took them a couple of years to build enough of those supercharged V8 engines to get it ready for the Escalade. Exterior features: black grille with smoky gray wheels with the V emblem on the flanks.
Look good.
Squinty headlights up high on the nose, tail lights from roof to midline. Quad chrome exhaust tips, which is unique for the V. Tall, vertical daytime running lights. Red brake calipers and ginormous rotors on this thing. It's not even a pie plate. This is a pizza pan.
Yeah.
I love ginormous.
What I like, everything. This ain't your mama's caddy Escalade. What could use improvement? Add some wings and it will fly.
Well, but could be, at 3 o'clock in the morning, it could annoy your neighbors because it had such a beautiful rumble to it.
Well, and especially
the exhaust was loud.
When you start it up, I think it's pretty much open exhaust all the way to the back, and then it quickly chomps down on it. But yes, it is loud.
So there ain't no sneaking home at 2 o'clock in the morning.
Well, it could be. As
Becky.
long as you put it in
Just saying.
neutral and you turn the motor off.
If
You know what I'm talking about.
you're coming home in that, you want everybody to see you in it. You don't want to sneak around in it.
Not at 3 or 4 o'clock.
I
in the
don't
morning.
care. Just tub it out.
It sounded so good.
Interior
it's already
highlights.
got the LS.
A layered glass dash is beautiful with a unique instrument cluster. Upscale, top-notch, detailed leather appointments exclusive to the V. Different hard trim available for different levels of the V. Climate controls are separate, separate pod at the bottom of the center console. Does that make sense to you? Cargo trunk room, massive with the seats folded down. What I like, GM's infotainment system is great. What could use improvement? I got a big question mark there because I don't know. You can't throw any more at an SUV than this one. You got the power. You got all of the room. The ride and the handling is great. We'll get to that in a minute. 6.2-liter supercharged V8 with 682 horsepower and
Be still, my heart.
653 pound-feet
Oh,
of
my
torque.
goodness.
10-speed automatic transmission. Tow rating, 7,000 pounds. Haul rating, 1,330 pounds.
No,
Big
haul
donkey.
rating is donkey.
Donkey.
Honking, yeah, okay. Miles per gallon. Oh, this is great. 11 miles per gallon in the city, 16 on the highway for combined of 13. And believe it or not, I got 15.9. Over 310.4 miles. What I liked? Power, baby.
And
What could
gobs
use
of it.
improvement? Take the performance pages from the Hellcats and put it in this. It doesn't have that. Now, you can change things around a little bit, but not like you can the Hellcat. And this one begs for that. But you're not going to take this drag racing because it weighs 4 tons, almost 4 tons, 8,000 pounds. So that 682 horsepower I'm talking about,
is working.
it works a lot.
The only thing I would recommend is an adaptable suspension, so you could literally lower the vehicle. Because I thought, looking at it, it rode high on the wheels and tires.
Well, I think that they don't do that because of the horsepower and the way that the whole thing is set up. Obviously, on the other Escalades, that's available. Almost 4 tons. That's a lot. Base trim price.
Here we go.
Base trim price.
Hold me
For
down.
the V, you can get into a V starting at $151,090. Price is tested $155,365. Chump change to you, Conrad. Base model price. You just want to drive an Escalade? You can for $79,295. Okay. So
in the
we're-
slow lane
Cloth
compared to the
seats.
big.
yeah, the slow lane. It still is not
Tiny
slow.
tires.
Now, based on the base model price, Lincoln Navigator goes for $77,635, Lexus LX 600 $87,815, and the Infiniti QX80 goes for $72,700.
But
No
none of them offer a performance vehicle like the V.
That's what I was
They
just
don't
about to
sound
say.
the
That's
same.
Thank you, Cadillac.
And that is my review of the 2023 Cadillac Escalade.
Somebody wipe that smile off of his face.
The In Wheel
you.
Time Car Talk Show is available 24/7 through the iHeartRadio app. Just look for In Wheel Time Car Talk. We also video stream on Facebook, YouTube, and InWheelTime.com. Podcasts at your fingertips on over a dozen of the most popular podcast outlets. The In Wheel Time Car Talk Show continues.